Hello everybody, today we make one dish really easy to make for everybody. Okay, everybody wanna cook every single day and now, okay, everybody gotta be home. Make sure to not go out, so you don't need. But you gotta go, you gotta go, but make sure to stay home. And we make it today potato and green beans salad. And I got a red onion, I got a potato boiled already, I got the string beans a boil, and you need oil, vinegar, black pepper, salt, and I want to use a little parsley. And on the side, on this, I'll make roasted chicken. And I got it right over here, the roasted chicken. And we eat with the potato and green beans salad. Okay, now we start to...
Hello, Lena, Jeremy, Leslie, Aram, Rhonda, Debbie, Mary Ellen.
Okay, now we start with the potato. The potato, what I do, a quarter and a half.
Bill,
A quarter and a half.
Jadine, Carol.
Everybody, say hello everybody. And make sure to stay home with a nice glass of wine and eat. That's it. So you don't gotta go out and no go. Okay, let's stay home. Okay, now a quarter and a half of this. Like I said, a quarter F like that, and another F. And we do the same, all the potato, the same thing.
Yeah, they boil, yes.
Yes, I boil already.
Billy say, hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. Hello, hello.
And the green beans is also cooked already.
Okay, I put it right on this dish over here. Spera vicino mare, facciamo amore.
Michael is in Mexico for the anniversary.
Who?
Michael.
Oh,
Be safe over there.
lucky you.
How many minutes you boil the potatoes?
The
45 minutes.
e tirarezza.
It's golden Yukon, yes.
Look at nice potato we got over here. Oh. Okay, now I cut the potato. Now we do the string beans. And the string beans, what I do, I want a quarter and a half.
Just be safe, Michael, and have a great time and happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. And we put it right over here. Some a little long, some a little short. Sentimento di un'ammenda. Guarda di ordine.
What everybody's cooking tonight?
Everybody gotta cook. You gotta cook, you gotta eat something.
Sushi's singing with you together.
Now we put the onion. This is a red onion. Na sorrenda.
Oh, Billy said thank you. Those live show give us something to look forward. We're glad that we can help.
Yes, we put right over here together.
Rhonda, she makes sausage and broccoli wrap. Michelle, chicken cacciatore, sausage and pepper.
Oh, okay, good.
Sue, she said her husband is cooking tonight. Leftovers.
Good, you gotta eat the, you don't gotta throw away.
Meatloaf, good.
You gotta eat the leftover.
Broccolini, perfect.
Okay, let me wash my hand.
Yeah, you need to wash hands every 1 second, no?
Yeah, I wash my hand, you know why too? I want to do salute cin cin with everybody. Salute cin cin, okay? Salute.
We will try to do something. We don't know yet how this will be going, if we can get anything. Hope so.
Okay, now this, it's everything done now.
Aram, he said, what is the wine? He didn't see it.
The wine, Haram. Salute cin cin. Salute. Okay, now we put a little salt.
Karen, she's chicken wings and broccoli. Perfect.
Black pepper.
Yeah, Italy is really bad. We were just talking with somebody from Italy. Why you not say the story?
Yes, I was talking to my friend in Italy. My city, it's like 15,000, people. He say, now I find out a couple of days ago, he got one case, he got the corona. But Italy, he said to me, Bergamo, it's the most people die. He said today he was die 800 people. But he said now you gotta raise, maybe reach more than 1,000 people for day. And I asked him, I said, but you work? He said, yes. And the wife, she work. Okay, the wife, she work for this kind of the medication.
For the
Yeah, for the blood, the test, everything. And he work for the city. And he say he gotta work. Okay, he work with a big truck. He's in charge for the garbage truck, everything. He said, but it's Italy, it's really bad. That's what he told me. Okay, now we put a little parsley.
Jeremy's having chicken thighs and boiled potatoes, yummy. And Sue, she asked for the breakfast I post. Yeah, he will be making the breakfast video.
Okay.
Maybe Monday.
Okay, now we put a little oil. Okay, the oil, let me measure the oil, okay. Look at the beautiful oil. I put 1, 2.
Lena, she said, the stores were empty, just pig feet and pork braciole.
Yep. And now we put a little vinegar. I put 1 and 2. Okay.
I know, it's really sad.
Now
It's really sad.
yes, we give a little mix.
Oh, looks already so good. And it's very easy to make also and cook fast because sweet potatoes, they cook really fast.
Bella cosa, tesoro. Okay, now I got my dish over here.
Yes, white wine vinegar. Show the vinegar, what kind is. It's Prosecco.
Okay, now let me taste it.
Maybe she has leftover grilled pork. Good. Billy said just bought green beans. Perfect.
And like this you make a potato salad with the green beans. Okay, a little wine. Okay, now let's taste the potato. For me, it's really good. The salt, the vinegar, and the oil. It's perfect.
So she says she's making this tomorrow with chicken frances. Perfect.
Yes, it's really, really good.
Billy says salut cin cin.
And I want to say salute cin cin to everybody. And make sure not go out, especially you drink a nice glass of wine, stay home. Enjoy.
Eat the garlic.
Enjoy home. Another thing, eat a lot of garlic. Yeah, I eat a lot of garlic. You know, you go to the store, a lot of place, you got the line, you know, for buy something. You eat the garlic, everybody disappear. Everybody stay away for you. And plus, eat the pasta fazool. The pasta fazool, you go online, you make the people disappear. You know why? You don't need that phone to make the music, this and that. You don't carry no phone, nothing. You make the music by yourself when you eat a lot of beans and pasta. Oh, the music come out by itself. Oh, you can know. Garlic and pasta beans. Oh,
And
really,
wine.
really good. After you go home,
And wine.
a little wine. Okay, I want to say salute e cin cin to everybody. And I want to say thank you very much for the star. But I want to say thank you very much for everybody. Thank you very much. And we see again. Now, maybe we cook a little bit more eggs.
Monday maybe we do the breakfast.
Maybe Monday we do live again. And we do maybe 2 or 3 day live. Like this, everybody really, really like when we do live. I want to say it again, salute cin cin to everybody. Thank you very much, and thank you for start. Thank you. A salute e cin cin.